Yes guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video we're gonna tell you how to fix any bug or problem in Instagram in 2023, 2024 I think. And well, if you have any problem with Instagram at the moment, you can do 3 things, and we're gonna cover those 3 things by first going to the App Store and looking for some updates. We're tapping on the App Store and we're tapping right at the top of the corner at my profile picture. And then you see here some things, and you see Instagram, and you see under Instagram it says today. And that means the latest version contained bug fixes and performance improvements. So now I can choose open, but if you can't choose open, you have to choose update. Otherwise you will remain bug and problems with your Instagram. So, well, if this is still not working, you can do the following thing, and you can restart your iPhone. And if you want to restart your iPhone and you can't update and you can't click on the buttons at the side, you can press shut down. And well, I'm pressing now my code and I'm back again, but you can shut down your iPhone. Well, that's step number 2. If you want to try step number 3, that's the following step. Well, we go to my account, welcome, and this is just a tryout account. I don't use this anymore, so don't contact me here. We go to the 3 lines right at the top of the corner, and we choose settings and privacy. Yes, so you choose settings and privacy and you scroll all the way down and you see help. You press the button help and you see help. You can report a problem. And you need to choose report problem without shaking, or you can shake your phone and you will be in the same screen. For now, we choose report a problem without shaking. And if you want to report a problem, the best thing you can do is make it complete as possible, of course. Because how more you complete it, how more likely Instagram will help you. So we choose include and continue. So now you have to choose, and you have to briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. So you will send it and Instagram will contact you if you leave any contact details. So it's better to leave any contact details. Yes, so these are 3 things you can try. And this was it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you. See you in the next video.